Wide outside the off stump, and Sanju Samson is away in typical Sanju style. A FIRA Oates 4 year of the very first delivery. He edges, but the edge flies. Another FIRA Oates 4 from the bat of Sanju Samson. Once again wide, this time gets the full treatment. A sixer over sweeper. Sanju Samson turning it on for the Kochi Blue Tigers.
Sanju Samson is so good that he'll clear any boundary. What a shot. Pawan Raj has got to pitch the ball up first. His length's been too most of the time. No footwork, but terrific timing. This is Sanju Samson. Width on offer, and you just don't give width to Sanju.
Excellent shot, this time in front, with much more authority and power behind that shot. Oh, stand and deliver, stand and applaud. A high-class cover drive from a high-class batter, Sanju Samson. Another FIRA Oates 4. And won't make any difference. You keep any fielders on the offside and Sanju will still get that gap. Another FIRA Oates 4. He goes short, makes room for himself, Sanju, and literally this is like having a net there. Another FIRA Oates 4. Targeting now. That's exactly where he goes. Hurling in length.
Really helping him get underneath it. Wide of long on. That's exactly.
Good umpiring in the end. Finally, mid-on is interested. No. Just about eludes the mid-on fielder. Another FIRA Oates 4. A better field, but will it change anything? He's on 45 and he'll march on to 49 now. Sanju Samson. This time over the head of the bowler. Another FIRA Oates 4. How it's meant to be done. Tries to push down the ground, and with that single, Sanju Samson will reach to his half century. The dugout stands in appreciation and in anticipation. The fastest 50 of this edition for Sanju.
The fastest 50 in the Kerala Cricket League. Abdul Basit fell that record for 22 balls. 16 has beaten that by a big margin.
Slower ball here. Got his line wrong. Deamal will just be pulled back by Biju there.
No need to check the boundary there.
He has been, and he continues to play with a lot of class on the pads. He'll hit this 10 on 10 times, helps himself to another boundary, a FIRA 4 boundary.
Picks that up and sails over deep square leg. It doesn't matter where the fielders are, he can't see them at all. 10 runs off the first 2 balls.
And what a hit, and what a treat it's been for the crowd as well. Big crowd here at the Greenfield International Stadium, and they are witnessing something special tonight.
Gifted with comes to Samson. Goes for a leg cutter, slower. Wasn't in complete control, you'd think, from Sanju Samson, but it's another FIRA 4 Oates. Stumps. Pulled away in front of square, and it goes the distance. He's just toying with the bowling now. It's as if it's a net session or an open net.
Absolutely killing it tonight. You bowl up, I hit you for 6. You bowl short, I hit you for 6. You bowl length, I hit you for 6. Short on this occasion, deep in the crease, and brilliantly put away.
Ninth over. He connects that one, and it goes the distance. Short. Didn't get up much, but he adjusted well this time, Samson.
Trying to push him on the back foot, but just he hit the toe end of the bat. But a lot of time on the back foot and just easily put away. No fuss at all to pick a wicket.
Goes fine. Finer than the short fine fielder.
Stand up and applaud the master. Sensational Sanju Samson reaches the three-figure mark in authoritative style and fashion and reaffirms his reputation as one of the top batters in the country. There it is. Acknowledges the adulation, appreciation of the crowd and the dugout, and no better time and moment to do it but in front of his brother at the other end of the crease, and they will come to an embrace as well. What a moment here for the Samson family and the brothers.
What a knock from Sanju Samson.
No stopping from here on. He'll go hard. Another valiant effort. That'll run away for a four. He's not happy with himself, Sharfuddin. And Samson's made intentions very clear.
Boundary. That's a good hit, but will it go all the way? Yes, it will. Good finish to the over by Sanju Samson. Brilliant hit. 48 from 3 overs required. 189 for 4.
The bottom hand came into play. He was slow, used the bottom hand to get that elevation and got the distance as well.
And hits it unbelievably well over extra cover. What a shot. What a player. What a wonderful player, Sanju Samson.
Look at that. How still was he? Not much footwork, but terrific bat swing and bat